2 out of 3 of our think tank. We'll get the third shortly. Eklund Mercy, Byron Browne with us. Eklund, could it be that simple that ultimately all of this potentially, if there are murder charges, could just be all about lust? Yeah,
I mean, we've seen people get killed for less. So it could absolutely be about lust. The man has, has a manifesto talking about zombies and things of that nature. That person it's foreseeable that he can, he can garner the idea of killing people, or for this, for their union. So it wouldn't be out of the stretch of the imagination that simple lust can lead to murders. It happens all the time. I mean, there's whole network television shows that are basically based on that. So the fact that they didn't, I feel that it was like a loss on investigation, because we knew that they had issues. We knew that we're dealing with a special person, and they were able to go to Hawaii. So, yeah, I think it is really that simple, lust.
Byron Browne, the way I look at it, you're married, you're both married, you both have spouses, and both spouses dead, right? But now one has adult children who can take care of themselves. But these two, oh, what a handful they are. We got to get rid of them. Is this all about lust and just wanting to be gallivanting on the beaches of Hawaii with his new bride?
Yeah, I think it is that simple. I think the 7 deadly sins are full and alive and well with Mr. Daybell. I think lust is one of them. I think greed is another one. They looked at those 2 children as probably roadblocks to their love and their relationship, and they wanted to get rid of them. And it seems like that's what they did. I mean, all evidence kind of points that way. It's hard for me to believe anybody doesn't know where their kids are, especially when they're young kids. At every minute of the day, I'm a father. I know where my girls are right now. Every minute of the day, I know where they are. So for them to have, I believe the evidence is going to show that they ended up actually murdering these 2 children. Whether it was one of them, maybe Daybell did it by himself, but we're going to see how the evidence pans out. But the fact that the bodies are found on on Daybell's property, I mean, I think that in and of itself speaks volumes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Eklund, I'm trying to put together the timeline here, and it's a little difficult because the children are missing in September, right, for weeks, weeks before Tammy Daybell is dead. And once you start getting into November, it starts getting cold there, and it might be difficult to dig in that yard. So I'm trying to put this all together onto when it all happened.
Yeah, but dig in the yard. Dig in the yard. If you have a potential, if we think that there could be children in the yard, you dig in the yard. You find whatever, all that budget for all that police
No,
stuff,
what I'm saying is when they buried them, Eklund, they found the kids in the yard. So how did they get there? How did they get there?
Because he writes books about zombies and things and fact patterns that are insane. So the fact that it's probably like a little cheek, like tongue-in-cheek, to have the kids in the backyard. I don't see it as, I mean, if you read about serial killers and things of that nature, they want to be closer to their kill. They want to be, it's like a trophy right now. So the fact that it's not shocking that the children were found in the backyard. It's not shocking that I think it's merely about lust. I think that is very simple.
And Chad Daybell, before he became the best-selling author, was a gravedigger, by the way. All right, when we come back, we got another story. Mackenzie Lewick, young woman, comes back to Salt